Hello everyone, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. As I told you in my last video that I will show you how to insert audio and text in Easy Video Maker. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert audio and how to insert text in Easy Video Maker. And those who did not watch my last video on this Easy Video Maker, please check in the description box, the link is given. So let's continue with the video. So first we need to import the audio in this Easy Video Maker. So to import the audio, we have to click on this plus icon at the top left corner and click on import add audio option. So as soon as you click on import add audio option, it will take you to your computer, and from your computer you need to choose the place where you have the mp3 audio. So in my computer I have in downloads, so just I clicked on downloads. In downloads I have many different mp3 music audios, so I will choose any one of this and I will click on open. So as soon as you click on open, you can see here your audio will be inserted here. So your audio will be inserted here. So from this place, you need to import this audio to your timeline. So to import the audio to the timeline, you need to right click on this audio option and click on add selected to audio zero line. You need to click on add selected to audio zero line. Means we are inserting this audio in the timeline audio zero line. So as soon as you click on this, you will find here in audio timeline, the audio is inserted. But if you'll observe here, the audio timeline is more than the picture timeline. So for that, you have to make it equal to this picture option timeline. So for that, you need to click and drag it and make it equal to the images. So now the audio is also equal to the images. After this, we need to add the text. So to insert text, you have to click on here font tool. Font tool. Click on this font tool. And then after clicking on this font tool, you need to choose the style. Choose the style of your choice. So just you need to right click whichever style you like. Just you need to right click and say add selected to. Now this has to be inserted in the text timeline. So you need to right click on it and say add selected to text zero line. So as soon as you click on text zero line, you can see here your text will be inserted in the text timeline. But have you observed here? It is showing Arial, but we need to type the text what we want. So for that, you need to double click on it. As soon as you double click on it, you will find the input text. So here you can delete the text whatever you have here and then type your own text. So here I want to type, say for example, I will say flower 1. And just after typing your text, just you need to click on this input box and you can place your text wherever you want. Just you need to click and drag it. Wherever you want to place, just click and drag it and place it wherever you want. But after inserting, if you want to change the color of the text, so for that you need to click on again this font option and choose the color of your choice. If you don't like this color, font color, now it's yellow, you can choose some different color and you can select the color of your choice. So for example, here I'm selecting the color option, say suppose blue, just click on OK. And here say OK. So like this, you can change the fill color option. So fill color, fill with image, fill color. So you can choose the fill color. So here I'm selecting the green color. Say OK and just say OK. So your color will be changed. So once again, I'm going to show you how to change the color of this text. Click on this font T tool and then if you want to change the color, font color, click on the color. Here you have two options, fill with color and fill with image. So I will choose the fill with color, choose the color of your choice and say OK. And then if you want to change the shining color and shade color also you can change. So suppose shining color, you want to change this shining color to red and the shade color also if you want to change, you can change the shade color to green and say OK. And just see the preview how it looks. So this is the way you can change the font color, and even style. If you want to change again, you can even change the style of the text. Now once again I will show you in the second image. I will insert the text and I will show you how it looks. So for the second image, how will you insert the text? Again, choose the style of your choice. So here I am selecting, say for example, you can scroll it down and whichever style you want. Say suppose this style I want to insert. So right click, say add selected to text 0 line, and double click on this text. Type the text of your choice. Now I will say here flower 2, and just say click on close, and see here your text will be inserted. Your text will be inserted, and you can drag your text wherever you want. You can drag and place it wherever you want. And if you want to change the color, just you need to click on font and change the color of your choice. If you want to change the color, click on this color, say fill with color, and the color, say suppose if you want to choose here, say white color, say okay, and here also say okay. So like this you can change the color of your text. The same way you can do for the remaining images also. So I hope it's clear. Now if you want to apply the font, if you want to apply any style for your text, so for that you need to right click on the text and go to motion effects. Click on motion effect and say add motion effect, and then choose the motion effect. By default it will be given like this. You can choose from here any of your choice. So here I will choose this, which is given shift fade from lower, or else you can change to some other option. So like this you can choose the style for your text and click on OK. So same way for the second image also, right click and say motion effect, add motion effect, and then choose motion effect from this effects and choose your style of your choice. If you don't like, again you can change to some other option, and then say OK. So like this you can apply the effects to your text. So I hope it's clear, my dear friends. So keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you. So friends, after completing your video, how will you save your video? To save your video, you must click on export. Click on export. After clicking on export, you have to give the file name and the place where you want to save. Say for example, I want to say here flowers video. Just you need to give the file name and the place where you are going to save. So the place where you are going to save, and this video will be saved as MP4 format. So just click on save. So I'm saving it in downloads. So just you need to say export, give the file name and click on save. And once you save it, see here your video, your project will be saved as MP4 format. And see here you will get congratulations, video created successfully. Just click on close, and you can minimize this and go and check where you have saved your video. So it is in downloads, and this is the video I have saved in my computer. So this is the preview of your final video. This is the preview of your final video. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please keep watching my video, like and share it. Thank you so much for watching my video.